everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and mercari. And on this channel, you will find what sold videos, haul videos, and mystery box videos. And today we do have a mystery box from Thredup. It is their 15 mixed pair shoebox. And I am also doing a battle of the boxes with Dakota Flips. So I will try to link her channel below in the description box. You can click on her channel and find hers. Go ahead and watch both of our videos and let us know in the comments of our videos on which one you think won. I don't know what's going on with my box, but I will show you. So I got this box in the mail yesterday. I have not opened it yet or looked at it, but it's got a big hole in the side of it, and you can actually see the shoe there sticking out of it. So I am really hoping that there is no damage to these shoes, that all the shoes are in here. What?
There's another hole on the other side.
Oh, there's another hole on the other side? Oh, okay.
Well, kind of.
Well, I mean, there's another hole there. So hopefully when we go through this box, we will take a look at the condition, make sure none of them are wet because it was raining all day here yesterday, and also make sure that I actually have all of my shoes. Got to make sure we have all the shoes. So I am going to go ahead and get this opened for you. My daughter is over here off to the side. She is going to help me by handing me shoes once I get this opened and over to her. And we'll go ahead and get started and see what we got.
I'll turn from the other side if you want.
Can you?
Yeah.
Actually, there we go. Yeah. Now, we'll see if I can give you a look on the inside from the top here. Okay, so y'all know how everybody gets. Y'all know how everybody usually gets tissue paper on the top of theirs. Well, I don't have any tissue paper. So, all right. Well, where are we gonna put this so you can get the shoes? So far, from what I can see,
tissue paper right here.
is there a little tissue paper down here? Oh, well, I guess there's some tissue paper on the bottom, but maybe I'm opening it upside down. Who knows? That could be possible. Give me that one last.
Last?
Yep. So hand me some shoes. All right, let's see where we got. Pair number 1. Also, I know like every other YouTuber that I have watched lately. If you guys would like to know, I did get this from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And it took them a long time to get it here, but it's here, so we'll see. So here is a pair of boots. Let's see. The ties are all untied on it. It is, I think it's Michael Kors. It just says Kors on the bottom, made in Italy. So I don't know if it's Michael Kors or something different. If you all know, yeah, I don't think it's Michael Kors. It's just Kors is what it says on the bottom. They both look to be in fairly decent condition. Not a lot of wear. Not a lot of wear to the bottom, just a little bit dirty, so I'll get those cleaned up. And I'm starting to try to edit some of my videos, so if I have time, I will go through and look some of these up, and down here in the corner somewhere, I will try to add what I can sell these for if I can. If not, I'm sorry and do apologize that I don't get to do that. So, okay guys, this is my first time ever getting these. I've never found these in the wild.
I was walking through the forest finding shoes.
Yeah, just walking through the forest finding shoes. Duh. So these are Rothy's. Yay! So don't be laughing at me. So they have this tag in the bottom. So I think these are real. These are a size 8 set of blue Rothy's. And they look to be in fairly decent condition. I guess there is a little bit of like wearing on that back heel there, but we'll see. I'll look those up and see. I've never sold Rothy's. Like I said, I've never had them before, so we'll go from there.
Never found them in the wild before.
Never found them in the wild. Never found them roaming around. Dang.
I heard they used to be here when dinosaurs were here.
Were they here when dinosaurs were here roaming around?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's why I haven't found them.
Yeah.
Duh. All right, these are just a pair of 9 West. There's this nice red suede heel. They have that thingy in the back that people put back there to try to stop your heels from getting blisters.
That doesn't work though.
Not really, no. So I don't know if I will sell these or not. So we'll see. Probably not. I'll probably donate those, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the 4th pair. These are just a pair of Hush Puppy suede style ankle booties. Let's see. Can we see what size they are? They are a medium size 9.5. And they are in okay condition. You can see some wear back here. There's a little bit of wear just on the sides. The front of the toes look okay. So they're not in the worst shape, but they're not in the greatest shape either. Let's see if the zippers work. Works.
I already tested them.
You did?
They were actually all the way down.
Oh, okay. Let's see if they're the same size. Because I have seen a couple of videos lately where the girl got their shoes and they were the same shoe, but one shoe was a different size than the other. Sorry. Still dealing with my cold that I had last week.
Same.
Yep, they're both 9.5. Yeah, my daughter now has whatever cold I had last week. All right, here. Ooh, yuck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, huh?
They're tiny.
Yeah, those are tiny. So these are some Skechers Goga Max. But as you can see, they are gross inside. Like, that's so gross. So gross. Like, that thing is the most disgusting pair of shoes I've ever gotten on the inside. You okay?
No.
These are size 8s. I don't know if you can wash these. I mean, they're like all cloth. So, I mean, I might try throwing them in the wash and see if those come any cleaner. But if they don't, I will not sell those. All right. Ooh, these are some teeny tiny things.
There's more teeny tiny things.
There's more teeny tiny things?
Yeah.
All right. These are just some White Mountain footbeds.
Outfit.
They're kind of like a
Yeah.
Birkenstock wannabe. And these are very tiny. Let's see if I can find a size anywhere on these. And I am not seeing a size anywhere at the moment. It is kind of dark down here for me. I mean, it looks like light for you guys, but it is definitely not light in here for me. Yeah, I'm not seeing a size on these anywhere. These are. I wouldn't be surprised if these are anything bigger than like a 5 or a 5.5, and they do look pretty dirty.
These next ones are funny.
On the top here, so I don't know. We'll see.
Look at the wiggly.
Those are weird. Okay.
Oh, wiggly they are. Wiggle,
They
wiggle,
are.
wiggle.
Okay, so look at the bottoms. See there, they're like wiggly on the bottom. They're just a nice sandal. And the brand is called Get There Familari. I don't know, guys. Can you all read that?
No.
That is the brand. And I have no idea what that says. It does say that they're a size 8. They are made in Mexico. I mean, they're in okay condition. The front and the back are kind of yucky, a little dirty, need some cleaning up. The bottoms are okay. Again, like where all the parts that actually touch the ground are dirty, but if they sell decently, these might be okay. Yeah, ooh, we got some gross shoes again. What are these?
I mean, they are pink, so.
They're what?
Pink.
They're pink, yeah.
So
There's some
they
pink.
get dirty very easily.
I mean, I know, like, I have like a ring light over there and then another light over there because these above me headlights are just like glaring. But let's see if I can see what brand these are. It looks like they're, this is on here, they're APL. They feel kind of cheap. They say they're a US size 11. But these are another pair that are just really super dirty on the inside. So again, I don't know anything about these. I've never heard of these. And they're just really gross on the inside. So if I can get those inside footbed thingies cleaned up, then we will do something with him. Ooh, wow. Super tiny.
Yeah, they're 5.5.
Tiny. Are they 5.5?
Yeah, they say on the
You already
bottom.
looked? Okay. Oh, I see. Yep, they are. All right, let's see if I can see what brand these are. Did you see a brand on them anywhere?
No.
No?
I'm gonna check on this one.
Okay, yeah. I do not see a brand anywhere. I don't
I
see...
see something.
What do you see? Can you read it or no?
No, I see something.
That's what it says? I see something?
Well,
Or just I see?
I see, and then it's another
Oh.
like letter, but it's like half off.
Okay, well, these are kind of dirty. And they're, 5.5, so they won't even fit my 13-year-old daughter.
Stop me.
Help you.
Yes.
Let's say maybe CCI or ICC. I don't know. But I will look into some more of these, and if I can figure out what they are, I will put it down below. I'll let you know.
Adios.
Oh, God. Hopefully it's just a light in here, but these are all just like really gross shoes for the most part. So these are some Adidas.
What?
Let's see. No, there's a thing. Adidas, size 7. They're just really worn. Like really, really worn. And the bottoms look okay. They're just, I'll have to look them up and see if they're anything. Let's see something. I mean, there's something, some kind of words in there, but I can't read it through this at the moment. So again, I will do some research, and if I can find anything out on them, I will give you some information down below, whether or not I'm going to sell them, whether or not I'm just going to donate them, or any other information I can find off camera. These are some more White Mountain. There's some nice, pretty red heels, actually.
Mm-hmm.
White Mountain, I don't think is a very good resale brand, but I will look them up. And if so, then these would probably be sold. They're in actually fairly decent condition. Trying to see the size. I see where the size should be. It looks like a 10W for these nice women's red heels. I mean, even if they're only a few dollars, I would probably sell these because they're in good enough condition for that. All right, what you got? How many we got?
4.
Okay, we got 4 left, everybody. 4 left. All right, here's some Lucky brands. Just some like little flats. Again, these are not in the greatest condition. They're pretty dirty on the bottoms and everywhere else. Let's see if I can see what sizes
We're
are.
supposed to have 13.
15. Why?
Yes, that must be
You
not
was-
counting correctly, because I only counted 13.
Okay, well, we could be missing some, so that's a very good possibility. Okay, there's like a little sticker. Okay, these are 9.5s. 9.5 suede, like loafers, Lucky brand. So we'll count them all back up here in a second and see what we got. Okay, here is something that I don't know.
Good.
Let's see, they are a size 7.5. They are a patent leather. Do have a little wearing on the inside. But I'll show you the brand and see if you guys can. Arthur O. Chiang. That is the brand. They're size 7.5, size 7.5, patent leather, like a peep toe little
Jimboa.
thing. So we will see.
Jimboa.
Jimboa.
A good brand, Jimboa.
No idea.
Jamboa.
Jimboa.
Jamba. Jamba.
Jimba? I don't know. Why?
J.
Oh, that was up there? Yeah, those are okay. Alright, these are some women's Merrills.
Maribel.
No, not Maribel.
Yeah.
Just Merrill. Some like little sneakers.
Mira.
they're okay. They definitely need some cleaning up, but they're not too bad.
They do some glass cleaner.
Some glass cleaner? I don't know about glass cleaner.
I do.
They're a size 6.
Oh, it's so lower.
Yep, size 6. They're not too bad. I would probably sell these. I don't know how much for yet, but I'll let you know.
$20.
And is this the last pair? Alright, here's the last pair. Oh, sweet. These are some Birkenstocks. They are a size 41. These are actually decent condition. Really nice on the bottoms. So that's actually a really good pair. So I got maybe 3 really decent pairs, so that's good. So are you counting them? Okay. She's counting them to let me know how many I've got.
Oh, we got 15.
And did you count these two?
Yes.
So we got a total of 15? Alright, so we got all 15 pairs of shoes, which that is awesome. So, I have not seen Dakota Flip's box yet. Both of us told each other that we were not going to tell each other what kind of box we got until the videos came out, so we could both be surprised when we watch the videos. So, yeah, that is everything. I don't think this was an awesome box. It had a few good things in it. I do think I'll make my money back on it, just hopefully with the Rothy's, with these Birkenstocks, and I think those corks, or those cores,
These look like sharks.
will be okay. They look like what?
Sharks.
Sharks?
Baby a shark. Baby. Yeah.
You're so silly. Alright, everybody, that is the box. Please leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you think this was an okay box, or if you would have been disappointed with the box. There is definitely some shoes in there that are filthy and nasty, but there was also some decent ones in it that can sell and more likely at least make my money back, I think. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from my new subscribers. I actually love hearing from any of you guys, but I've had a lot of new subscribers lately. So, welcome in. Say hi. And I will go ahead and finish up this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to watch Dakota Flip's video, and let us know what you guys thought of who won, because we're fighting over this. No, just kidding. No, we're not. We're friends. Okay. Have a great weekend, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.